to you all in today's class of English. Today we will learn some more in Unit 2, Scientists and Inventions. Before start, I hope that you all have done your homework of activity 4, 5 and 6. Now, today let's start activity 7 given on page number 16. Open page number 16. Activity 7, My Hero Scientist. Write the details of your favorite scientist. Discuss the details of the same with your teacher and friends in class. In this activity, you have to write about your favorite scientist. Who is your favorite scientist? How can you say about your favorite scientist? First of all, you have to see the invention. Which is your favorite invention? According to that, you have to write about your favorite scientist and his personality. Then, we have to discuss about the details about that scientist. So, here it is written that you have to discuss with your teacher or friends. But just now you are not in school, so you can discuss it with your family members. Now let us start. Name of the scientist. APJ Abdul Kalam. Here I have written APJ Abdul Kalam because I like him. He is hero for me. Lifespan, so how many years he lived? That we have to write. So his lifespan is 84 years old. He born on 15th October 1931 in Rameshwaram and he died on 27th July 2015 in Ceylon. So his lifespan was 84 years old. Then, place or origin. What is the meaning of place or origin? Means, Abdul Kalam, he was from where? यानी कि वो कहाँ से belong करते थे? That we have to write here. So he was from Rameshwaram. So write here Rameshwaram. So his origin is Rameshwaram. Then inventions and contributions. He worked as an aerospace scientist with DRDO, means Defense Research and Development Organization, and ISRO, means Indian Space Research Organization. See, he was an aerospace scientist in DRDO and ISRO. So he worked there. Next is, he is known as the Missile Man of India. उनको Missile Man of India के नाम से जाना जाता है. He worked on the development of missiles and launch vehicle technology. See, he developed missiles and he also launched vehicle technology. So many vehicle technology he launched. He played an important role in Pokhran 2 nuclear tests in 1998. He played an important role in Pokhran 2 nuclear tests in 1998. In the year 1998, he also worked in Pokhran 2. Pokhran 2 was a nuclear test and he played an important role in that. He was also awarded Bharat Ratna, Padma Bhushan and Padma Vibhushan. Then he was the 11th President of India from 25 July 2002 to 25 July 2007. So he was the 11th President of India. And he was an aerospace scientist, author or professor. Now children, on the next page, page number 17, paste the picture of the scientist. Means, I have written about APJ Abdul Kalam. So, here I have pasted a picture of APJ Abdul Kalam. So, you write about whoever scientist, you have to paste that scientist photo. आप जो भी साइंटिस्ट के बारे में लिखोगे आपको उसी का फोटो यहाँ पे पेस्ट करना है, चिपकाना है इस बॉक्स में, ठीक है? सो अंडरस्टूड अबाउट दिस एक्टिविटी? नाउ चिल्ड्रन, इफ यू वांट टू राइट अबाउट अब्दुल कलाम यू कैन राइट, and if you want to write about any other scientist, so you can write about any other scientist. Now, activity 8, describe the following picture in pairs. Share your views with your friends and teacher. In this activity, a picture is given, so we have to describe this picture. In this picture, what can you see? Can you say about this? Yes, this is a picture of a classroom. How can you say it is a picture of a classroom? Because here the teacher is standing behind the table and there is a book in her hand. Teacher टेबल के पीछे खड़े हुए हैं और उनके हाथ में एक बुक है. See, there are 2 books on the table and there is also an apple on the table. टेबल के ऊपर 2 books है और एक एप्पल है. 3 boys are sitting in front of the table. टेबल के सामने 3 boys बैठे हुए हैं. They are sitting on chairs. वो 3 boys chairs के ऊपर बैठे हुए हैं. How can we say? Because see here you can see the shape of the chairs. The first boy is looking at the book in teacher's hand. यहाँ पे देखो ये लड़का टीचर के हाथ में जो बुक है उसके सामने देख रहा है. The second boy is looking at the ceilings. जो दूसरा लड़का है वो सीलिंग को देख रहा है, यानी कि सीधा ऊपर देख रहा है. The third boy is looking at the other 2 boys. ये जो तीसरा लड़का है वो ये 2 boys क्या देख रहे हैं उसको देख रहा है. So here our picture description is over. Now turn the page. See page number 18. Here, activity 9. Fill in the gaps. See children, here blanks are given. So, we have to write the answers of these blanks. Ravi was a boy. Write here W-A-S was. Ravi was a boy. रवि नाम का एक लड़का था. He lived with his mother. Write here W-I-T-H with. He lived with his mother. वो अपनी मम्मी के साथ रहता था. One day they decided to go to Delhi. एक दिन उन लोगों ने दिल्ली जाने का डिसाइड किया. Write here TO2 and here also TO2. रवि was late from school. रवि स्कूल से लेट हो गया. Mother told Ravi to get ready. मम्मी ने रवि को तैयार होने के लिए कहा. They reached the station and learned that the train was late. वो दोनों स्टेशन पहुंचे और वहां जाकर पता चला कि ट्रेन लेट आने वाली है. See children, here all these blanks are given in past form, so we have to write the answers like this. So write these answers in your textbook. Now second, little Sunita had 3 friends. Write here HAD had. Little Sunita had 3 friends. सुनीता के 3 फ्रेंड्स थे. All of them were younger to her. WERE. Write WERE. वो सब उससे छोटे थे. They went to play cricket on a bright sunny day. Write here TO2. वो लोग एक दिन क्रिकेट खेलने के लिए गए and it was a bright sunny day. Suddenly, Sunita felt tired and hungry. Write here FELT felt. अचानक से सुनीता बहुत ही थक गई और उसको भूख लगी. क्यों भूख लगी, क्यों थक गई? बिकॉज इट वॉज अ ब्राइट सनी डे. आसमान में बहुत सारी धूप थी, इसके लिए वो थक गई और उसको क्रिकेट खेलने की वजह से भूख लगी. द गर्ल्स डिसाइडेड टू गो होम. राइट हियर GO गो. गर्ल्स ने घर जाने का डिसाइड किया. Here we finish our activity 9. Write activity 9 in your textbook. Now activity 10. What would you like to become in life? Think and share your dreams and ambitions with your friends in a group and then write it about in the space provided below. आप बड़े होकर क्या बनना चाहते हैं? आपके जो सपने हैं वो एम्बिशंस है. That you have to share with your friends in a group. You can share it with your parents and whatever you want to become. आप क्या बनना चाहते हैं बड़े होकर? That you have to write here in the given space. आपको नीचे जो लाइंस दी गई है उसमें आपको लिखना है. दिस इज योर होमवर्क. सो योर होमवर्क इज टू राइट एक्टिविटी 10 ऑन पेज नंबर 18. बाय बाय चिल्ड्रन.